Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up lead scoring in HubSpot. Lead scoring is a powerful way to prioritize your prospects, ensuring your sales team focuses on the most engaged and qualified individuals. By assigning numerical values to various actions and demographic details, you can effectively identify who is truly ready for a conversation. This process helps streamline your marketing and sales efforts, leading to more efficient outreach and better conversion rates for your business. To begin, you'll define what makes a lead valuable to your business. Consider positive attributes like a specific job title or company size, assigning points for these. Also, assign points for engagement, such as visiting key pages or submitting a form. Equally important is identifying negative attributes, like unsubscribing from emails or being from a competitor's domain, and deducting points accordingly. This balanced approach ensures a comprehensive and accurate score. Next, you'll configure these rules directly within HubSpot. Navigate to your settings, then find the Properties section. Here, you can create or modify your HubSpot score property. Add your positive scoring rules for actions like downloading an ebook or visiting your pricing page. Then, implement your negative rules for disengaging behaviors. Remember to thoroughly test your scoring model with a few example leads to ensure it accurately reflects your ideal customer profile. Finally, lead scoring is an ongoing process that requires regular optimization. Review your scoring model quarterly, adjusting points as your business goals evolve. Use these scores to segment your audience for highly targeted marketing campaigns, ensuring your messages resonate. Crucially, integrate these scores with your sales team's workflows, perhaps setting a threshold of 50 points for a sales-qualified lead. This empowers them to prioritize follow-ups, maximizing efficiency and improving conversion rates.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.